Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to continue to talk about the Samsung 4-door Flex fridge and give you some more cleaning tips. So you guys have been posting a lot of questions, putting some comments out there and that sort of thing, asking us questions about other things with this Samsung refrigerator. So we're going to show you a few other things that we keep learning as we go along. So I've had this refrigerator for about what, 3 years? About 3 years now. Had no idea. As someone asked me a question about cleaning shelves, you know, once they kind of moved the fridge in, we just started loading it up, right? So once we always have stuff on it. So had no idea that this did this. So the little shelf on the side actually flips up. And so as I looked more at it, obviously they do this so that you can do a couple things. If you want to, you can move the shelf up another space, which of course takes away anything you can slide underneath your ice maker, but you can move it up, put wine bottles in, leave it where it's at, put wine bottles in there, or anything else that's tall, you know, milk jugs, some people get the big ones. You can put a bunch of things in there. So it does that, which is really kind of a cool little feature. So the other thing that people asked about was removing the shelves. So this is actually one of the things that isn't over-designed with Samsung's fridge, and some of the cleaning that we showed with these bottom drawers, it had some steps to it to get to it without breaking things or whatever. We'll put a link in the description below for the cleaning of these, you know, basically this bottom part in the drawers here, because that's a little bit more complicated. But the shelves themselves really is pretty easy. It's like any other refrigerator. If you lift up, you can actually see that it's kind of like got like a hinged thing to it. If you lift up, it does just kind of come out. But this one at the top is a little bit different because I'll show you why. It's got this middle piece in it. So because of that, this piece fits really pretty tight to it. You can see I haven't even taken it out yet because it's still got the stuff, the packing stuff on it. So, but this one fits a little bit tighter because it's fitting in that smaller spot. But it does just lift up. If you look, it's just kind of a hinge piece. So it lifts up and then you can take the whole thing out. Then getting it back in, same sort of thing. You just got to kind of get it in that spot, which sometimes if you're short could be really kind of hard, but you just get it in that spot. It sits back down and you're ready to go again. So I'm gonna pull mine out, get them cleaned up, take the packing stuff out of it, or the packing shipping stuff out of it. But that's really it. The other things that this is kind of nice too, I don't know if you've seen these, but these actually, you can make adjustments to these as well, you know, if you wanted to give yourself some more room in here. So you can actually take them out if you want. So it gives you more room if you have tall things or whatever you want to do. So it gives you that option as well. These are really pretty easy to slide back in. If you just kind of look at how they're situated, they slide back in and flip back down. So that's really it. So that should give you a pretty good direction on how to do these shelves. This shelf, and this shelf all remove that way. And so really easy to clean, and we did a video on this one. So that should kind of give you everything besides the side drawer ones, which we'll do in a separate video, because it's really, really easy as well. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions regarding anything else, ask. We'll do a quick video on them. And we'll put links in the description below. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.